The transparent policies of the city and its adherence to ARTA greatly contribute not only in attracting foreign investments, but in retaining them for the long term. The cooperative nature of our partnership allows us to generate more jobs for Baguio City and the nearby areas. To my knowledge, PEZA locators here contribute about 6,000 direct jobs. So you multiply it by another 5 to account for indirect jobs. The 30 locators that Baguio hosts contribute $534 million in national exports alone for 2025. Further, BCEC locators here have also paid to the government, in view of the 5% gross income tax, about 482 million pesos. It's almost $500 billion, a significant contribution to the city's socio-economic progress. And so, for our locators, old and new, foreign and local, you have my assurance that PEZA, together with the national government, under His Excellency President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., will make your investments worth every single peso you have sunk in. We will support your endeavors by evolving, adjusting, and innovating so that the eco-zones remain a vibrant home to grow and expand your businesses.
Moog is a global leader in motion control solutions across land, sea, air, and even space. We develop advanced hardware and software technologies that empower innovation in our customers' products. Our commitment to excellence and sustainability enables us to positively impact millions of lives, contributing to a healthier, safer, and more sustainable world.